I'm making some baked oats. Can't even see it, I didn't think. Oh my god, it's so good. So yum. Today's mission is dinner with Jelena and Tiana. We are doing some jeans, a really cute bodysuit, and then I just have my hair up. Let's get going. The weather is so beautiful. What flavor did you get?
Tofu passion fruit.
Oh, tofu passion fruit. We don't even know what flavor she got. And we're just actually walking to go to the Korean convenience store because I want to get the other mochi ice cream because I want the vanilla flavor. My mochi is slowly getting softer, but it's still pretty hard.
So if I just make it.
No!
This little donut, yeah.
Guess who I'm with? I'm getting either the negi toro or the negi shio, or I don't know, maybe like one of the musubi. One in the broth. So which should I get? Black sesame soy latte. Oh my god. Out of stock. No. It looks so good. chopstick. Good? Yay! mochi.
Classic or soy milk?
The mochi,
Yeah.
the classic one.
Yeah.
I want the cake.
With a dress.
Oh,
It's good.
interesting. Not like normal mochi.
Not like normal mochi.
It's like tofu.
Oh.
It's a little bit softer. But it's sweet. Like not too sweet.
That's so pretty. Don't you think it's kind of cool?
I like the color. But Aurel hates it.
Even the brown one is really cool. So cute. Okay, wait. Can this is the I wonder.
Hello Asia subscribers. Today we are here at the Lulu Library and it's week 12. What are your holiday plans?
Sleeping and eating.
Yes, so what do you want to eat?
Bread.
Bread, another croissant.
What are we reading? We are reading today's book.
Well, you have to cut your hair like this.
I should cut my hair like this.
Maybe you should do that when you're older. Now you look like not long hair.
Look, wait, we have. Should we say that?
Same brain cell, Asia. Same brain cell.
Same broken brain.
It's just that yours is like nicer look. Mine has been like scratched.
Is it a butt or is it belly?
I'm excited for this. It's so good. I know, actually, I stood it for a while because I wanted to get more.
Have you guys tried it before?
No. This one, yes.
But
Yeah, I would be like, woo!